Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Cabbage Muthiya. First, combine 2 cups of finely shredded cabbage with 1 cup of mixed flours, including chickpea flour, whole wheat flour, and a touch of semolina. Next, add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 chopped green chilies, and a teaspoon each of turmeric, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Don't forget a pinch of asafoetida and salt to taste. Now, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine all your prepared ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. These help keep the muthiya soft and moist. Gently knead the mixture, allowing the cabbage to release its moisture. You shouldn't need to add any extra water to achieve a soft, pliable dough. Once your dough is ready, divide it into equal portions. Roll each portion into a cylindrical log about 3 to 4 inches long. Arrange these logs in a steamer basket. Steam them over medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are firm and cooked through. You can check for doneness by inserting a knife. It should come out clean. Finally, let's add that delicious tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, then add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of sesame seeds, and a few fresh curry leaves. Once the seeds splutter, add the sliced steamed muthiya and toss gently to coat. Serve your warm cabbage muthiya with green chutney or a cup of hot tea. Remember to check the description for links to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.